It's very good on discipline. It's helped me a lot with my mental health and my addiction. So without further ado, I'm going to invite my brother up. Haramai. I've got so much stuff to do. I've got things, taonga puoro and taiahas and guitars and all sorts of things. Ahuareka ko te autauri. This next one's called Rua Pika Pika. It's about Ngati Hine, Ngati Hau, Te Kapotai, Ngati Manu, Ngapui, Nui Tonu, and the British. The song's about how we defeated the British at the height of their power on the globe. They were the most powerful race on the face of the earth, and they came over here and we dug some holes and we beat them. Innovative. Māori. Kia ora, this is Rua Pika Pika. peka peka. Roa peka peka. Ahuareka. Kapui nui tonu. Roa peka peka. Ahuareka. Kapui nui tonu. Kia ora tātou. Do you like that one? I'm trying to get a grant for that song at the moment. Kia ora. Oh, last one. Oh, God, I've been waiting here all day. Kia ora. No, I'm not going to do my last one. I'm taking my time. Take my time. Because I've come a long way to be here. 20 years of drug addiction. Grew up in Tamaki. Disconnected from my taha Māori side. But finding my way. So anyway, here's how I connect to this beautiful whenua. In 1927, my grandfather, Riqi Harawira, was the Anglican minister here. He was good friends with Wiremu Kiritini Cherrington. And he was told there were two powerful chiefs in Ngati Hine, Kakaporawini and Pitakingi, both of whom would have nothing to do with the Christian faith. And he would probably meet with some opposition from them, said Wiremu. To Riqi's surprise, when Kakaporawini's moko died, he sent for him. Upon meeting Riqi at the gate, he stuck his toko into the whenua and said, "Te wahi e tu te rako, ko reira, anō te rako tupu ai," which means where the tree stands, it will grow. Stressful, eh? Wow. Phew. Those are the days, eh? Rangatira would say things like that. Give you an ultimatum right on the spot. So without another word, he strode back into the marae, and as my grandfather followed him, he did some hard thinking in a small karakia. And with some degree of confidence, Riqi replied, "Ki te kore te putaki e maku kungia, e kore te rako e tupu." Which means if the roots of the tree are not watered, the tree will never grow. So when the chief heard these words, a delighted smile flashed over his face and he said, "All the maraes of Ngati Hine are open to you." Foo, lucky, eh? Ooh, could have got smoked. Could have gone the other way, eh? Could have been really, I might not have been here today after that incident. So that's how I honor to this place anyway, so. What, one more song? Okay, this one's called Self-Determination.
We sit the bar high and rise up to it. Don't step down, you know you'll lose it. Ain't nobody gonna save your soul if you're not willing to change and grow.
So one of these days, stories of hunger won't be in the news no more. We won't go feeding our addiction with the food that's for our souls. Cause mental health is a global problem. Understanding is the key. No more suffering in your silence, pretending that you're sweet. Let's talk about violence in our homes, spilling out into the streets. And our jails are filling up fast. Recidivist offenders high on P. Too much suicide without youth. Let the children speak their truth. Compassion and love is the key. CBT, DBT, boys. Self-determination, rise up. Set the bar high, rise up to it. Don't step down, you know you'll lose it. Ain't nobody gonna save your soul if you're not willing to change and grow. We'll set the bar high, rise up to it. Stand your ground, the need to prove it. Ain't nobody gonna save your soul if you're not willing to change and grow. Self-determination, rise up. So no more homeless. our shoes and be ignorant with defeat. Cause healing our hearts and healing our minds from the inside is the truth. Rise above anger and addiction and the circle of abuse. Believe in yourself and find direction. Work hard and you will see. Self-determination has no boundaries. Create your destiny. Be the architect of your fate. Do it right now, don't delay. It's never too late to do what's right. It's never too late to change your life. Self-determination. Rise up. Set the bar high. Rise up to it. Don't step down. You know you'll lose it. Ain't nobody gonna save your soul if you're not willing to change and grow. Well, set the bar high. Rise up to it. Stand your ground. The need to prove it. Ain't nobody gonna save your soul if you're not willing to change and grow. Self-determination. Rise up.
Kia ora. Homai te paki mo Riqi Harawira.